Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. Today I have a video on this hair install, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. Stay tuned for the video. So let's get started. First, this is the bag that it came in, this cute little pink bag, which I love. And this is the packaging. It came with some mink lashes, which was very, very nice. 3D mink lashes and a wig cap, which has 2 caps in there. And this is the unit. And it's a human hair 20-inch long Bodywave lace front, so it has lace in the front and in the back. And yeah, as you can see, it has a part in the middle, so it's lace in the front, so you can like make the part doesn't have to just stay in the middle. And it has 4 clips, as you can see there. There's lace in the back and lace in the front, and yeah, that part in the middle. So you can play around with your part. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that lace off in the back. Okay, so I already have my wig cap on and I'm putting it on to size it to see where I need to place it before I cut the lace off. Now, in the past for my videos, if I did lace, I usually just cut the lace off. That's one method. So I decided to try a new method. So by the end of the video, keep watching to know if I like this method better or the other way that I did it, where I cut the lace off first. So yeah, so this is the method I decided to try. I'm using, that was the generic version of Got to Be glue. I got it at Walgreens. It's just called spiking glue, and it's really just for hair. Like if you want spikes in your hair, it's just really, really sticky. So when you hear the word glue, it's not literal glue. I feel tongue-tied. It's not literal glue. It's just like a glue-like substance. So no, I would never put glue on my hair. That's why I don't too much like to do lace. I might try the spray next time. So yeah, so I let the spiking glue get tacky, and then I'm using the blow dryer. I wanted to just test out this way to see. And now I'm deciding on cutting the lace. It's still not as sticky or like glued down the way I would like it to be, so I'm definitely gonna have to apply more again, but I'm just cutting off the lace. And now I applied a little bit more glue on top, and then I used the blow dryer again. So now I'm separating the baby hairs on the sides. And I'm not a baby hair expert, but I'm gonna do my best. Hopefully with more of these videos I could get better at it. So I'm just using the hot comb to comb those hairs out of the way and try to get the baby hairs to stay where I need them to stay, like so the hair doesn't get mixed up. Using my baby flat iron. So you see, that's how I know that's the hair in the front. And then I'm using my edge control by Creme of Nature. I'll leave it in the description. I'm using that to work with the baby hair, and I'm cutting it on the sides. So that's it. I did the best that I could. So now I'm just gonna use my edge scarf to hold that down while I work on the rest of my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on the rest of it. So as you can see, it's not perfect. You really have to work with these wigs when you get them. This is why people go to stylists. That's the shed hair. It wasn't a lot of shed hair. But yeah, that's why people go to stylists to get their wigs installed and styled, because it's not easy. It is not easy. So I'm just going through it with my my hot comb to tame it and get it laying down. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. I didn't too much reach in the back to do it. I was focusing on the front, and then I got out my flat iron to flatten it out. That helped me some. I really like this color. I was pleasantly surprised. I've never done honey blonde, but because it's not a full honey blonde, it's just honey blonde highlights. The darker color is the number 4 and the highlights is number 27. I think it works well because it's not a full-on blonde. And I'm just curling it with the flat iron, going around to give it some type of body. Like I needed to sleek it down, but then give it some kind of body. Because they said that this was body wave, but I don't see too much of a wave, so you definitely have to try your best to style it. But again, I was pleasantly surprised with this color. Those highlights I really like, and I think they're really nice for fall. I will definitely style this again at another time. So I guess you guys are wondering if I would try this method again with the lace. I think I prefer cutting my lace first before installing. I don't know, I'm gonna play around again with it, but I think I like that way better. So yeah, that's the finished look, and I'm just playing around with it. I like the color overall. I like this hair. Again, it's on Amazon, and all the links will be in the description. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell so you can receive all of my uploads, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.